You can now use bus element ports to graphically author the interface of a model directly from the dialog, without having to place in-bus element blocks to represent each element. Bus element ports were introduced in R 2019A to provide the capability to access and specify elements of an incoming bus at the interface of a model. Here we have a model that captures diagnostics and processes tire sensor data coming in. The model receives a bus that contains three signals: TPS, velocity, RPM. You can notice that the bus is being consumed directly at the input interface, and its elements are denoised and reported. Now, if you wanted to specify the attributes of the three element signals of the bus in model, you still need to drop in bus element blocks accessing these elements. Once you do that, you will be able to open the dialog for the input port tire sensor in to specify attributes individually for every element. Dropping blocks onto the canvas merely for attribute specification ends up cluttering the interface. In our 2022B, we are introducing a capability to specify attributes of bus elements without having to drop in blocks for these elements. You can now open the bus element ports dialog, select a level, and add elements under it without blocks to facilitate specification in the model. In order to specify TPS, velocity, RPM, I can select the element tire sensor in the dialog and add elements using the Add Element Without Block option of the new Add Element Split button. Now that we've added elements, we can specify their incoming data types to double in 32. No blocks were added in order to specify these elements, and now we can simulate the harness model and see that the elements' data types were locked down.